In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove a link from your Instagram bio. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports the content. This method works whether you have one link or multiple links on your Instagram profile. To begin, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to your profile, then tap on Edit Profile. Next, under the Bio section, tap on Links. Here, you'll see all the links currently added to your profile. To remove a link, simply tap on the link you want to delete, then select Remove Link. Confirm your action, and the link will be deleted. After that, you'll be taken back to your list, where the removed link will no longer appear. If you have multiple links, you can also change their order. The top link is the one that will be most visible on your profile. To reorder links, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Reorder Links. Drag and move the links using the lines icon to place your preferred link at the top, then tap Done. Now, when you return to your profile, you'll see the updated link order. That's it. This is how you can remove or rearrange links on your Instagram profile. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.